Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to start a header from page 3 in iCloud pages. Let's get started. Firstly, open a pages document, double click on the document. Firstly, you have to add header to all pages. Go to pages icon and click the document and check mark the header and add the header text. Now go to page number 2 and keep the cursor end of text and go to tools menu and click the create the section break. Now go to again section and uncheck mark the match previous section. Now go to page number 1 and remove the header text. Now check the header start from page 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.